Let's have a look to the output generated by AFL. Inside the output folder, we have the default folder, and inside the default folder, the two most important directories are the crashes and hangs. The other file contains info like the fuzzing setup and logs. So, the crashes directory contains all the crash files identified by AFL during the fuzzing process. Each file represents an input that caused the target program to crash. These are potential vulnerabilities or bugs that we have discovered. The ends directory contains files that cause timeouts or ends. For example, the target program ran too long without producing any output or crashing. These inputs can be useful for identifying performance issues or unintended infinite loops in the target program. And similar to the crashes folder, these files are stored with a unique identifier. Okay, so we can now explore the crashes folder. And as you can see, we have 3 files named with a unique identifier, which represent individual crash cases. Then we have also the readme file, that contains the command used to generate these crashes, that in our case is this one. So we have 3 unique crashes, and if we inspect one of them, for example, the first one, we can see the input that the fuzzer used to crash the program. This input was generated during the fuzzing process, mutating the initial corpus. So before jumping to the next video, I suggest you to reproduce one of these crashes by using the corresponding input with the exercise 1 target program. Then try to investigate the code to understand why the crash occurs.